Alright guys, you are welcome to Duffman Electrical Electronics. Please, if this is your first time coming across our video, like, share, comment and subscribe, also follow. Stay with us, let's enter the business of the day. I want to believe that we have electrical engineers in the house, professionals. Because this just a small site. One of my clients just called me, brought me to this building. So the building here has 2 rooms. As you can see, the small veranda, small toilet and the kitchen. The room here is 10 by 10. The 2 rooms is 10 by 10. That is the measurement. So I want to ask all of us, remember that we have one light at the side, then the pillars here, there's the front pillars here. We have 3 lights. Then at the other hand, the left hand side, then we have 1 light. Then by the side we have 1 light, then the back here we have 1 light because of the fence light there. So I want to ask, like, how many bundles of pipe? This is a full conduit. This is a full conduit, 2 wall brackets, 1 center light, 1 fan, then socket and the cable. That is the DSTV. Each of the rooms. Then we have the cooker unit. We have in the bathroom we have 1 light. There's no heater. So please, how many bundle of pipe will be enough for this work? And also, how many bundles of wires will be okay for this work? Please let us know on the comment section, please. And remember to follow us on all our social media platforms, please. We are available. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.